Hey, hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we have here my first Chinese high resolution audio earbuds. They've received the Red Dot Design Award for 2018. They are by this company called QKZ Make Believe, it says here, high resolution audio. VK1, that's the model name. Here we have some Chinese and some English, coaxial 4-unit hi-fi headset, an acoustic architecture combining ergonomic and musical performance, high fidelity graphene diaphragm, balanced natural sound. I hope I read it correctly. Here we have some Chinese letters on the side, really cool. Mic, since this is the model that comes with a microphone. Made in China, more Chinese letters. On the other side, more Chinese letters. I think they're not, no, maybe they are the same ones, I'm not sure. Made in China, same thing again. On the back, we have a logo here, like a triangle with some lines inside, and the specifications. Weight 20 grams, plus minus 3 grams. Pin type 0.75 millimeters. Black type 3.5 millimeters, so you know the standard one. Line length 1.25 meters, plus minus 5 centimeters. Frequency 7 to 40,000 hertz. 40,000? Yeah, 40,000 I think. The impedance, I don't know how to pronounce that, 30 ohm. Sensitivity 108 decibels. Shenzhen Longi Technology Company from Shenzhen. You know, this city in China where a lot of electronic products are made. Let's open it. Let's see the unboxing. Really tiny box, as you can see. By the way, I'm recording this with my iPad Pro. First time I'm doing this. I had my cameras with no battery, so I had to find something else. Why not? Why not an iPad Pro? It has a good camera. Okay, so let's see how to open this. Okay, what kind of box are we facing? Is this slide? Yeah. Okay. Oh, nice presentation. Eh? Nice presentation, as you can see. Here they are. Looking really good so far. Oh, I don't know how to get them out of this transparent box. There's no way to do this easily, so I'll just use I'll help myself with my scissors. Let's see. Oh, here they are. Oh, it came with this plastic, this tape. There, as you can see. The tape is now stuck to the transparent plastic. What else is in the box? Same logo here again. Here they are, we put them there. Small plastic bag, and inside of the plastic bag we have, let's see. I wonder where they make these plastic bags, because all Chinese products that come with these really nice, soft plastic bags. I really like them. Okay, this is the cord with the microphone. Yeah, I suppose this is to answer the phone calls. No, I don't see no volume up and down, so I don't know how that works. As you can see, we have two independent for the right and the left earbud. Let's see which one is which. Well, let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. As you can see, really cool design. As I told you before, they received the Red Dot Design Award for 2018, and they look really nice. As you can see, there's like a little line of like maybe glue or something there, but besides that, if you can take that as a little flaw of the design, they look absolutely fantastic. The logo looks great there, as you can see. Let's take a look at the other one. This is the right one. Really cool. You can see everything inside. Everything. Really cool. Okay, let's plug this. This is the left one, so I would go here. Oof, this is the first time I do this. This is the first time I buy a product like this. And I thought that they were kind of maybe not flimsy, but like maybe if I push too hard, I could break these fine pieces of metal. But maybe it's stronger than I think, that it seems. Okay, I think I put them in the right way. Yeah, as you can see, right matches with right. Okay, the cord is pretty long. Let's see. Yeah, as I read on the box, is 1.25 meters long. Here we have that logo again, same logo that we have on the box. As you can see, I forgot to mention there are some extra ear tips for everybody. And then on your ears, you can use different ones. As you can see, there are two extra pairs, different sizes. Comes this one, seems to be smaller, maybe this one a little bit bigger, and this one. Where have I bought them? Well, here we have Fast Tech. That's the name of the website, fasttech.com. There is where I've got them. The price, I'll have to check it out, but I'll let you know. They were, I don't know exactly, but around less than $20, that's for sure. I leave the price and the link in the description below. This inner plastic piece of packaging, as you can see, is everywhere, so there's a nice touch, really cool. And you know, the design is cool, they look really nice, but that's only how much I can say about them, because I haven't tried them yet, and I don't know if they sound as good as they look. Also, let's highlight this protective plastic on this end of the cord, like see-through. Also, it's transparent, really nice touch. And you know, it stays kind of on this way, so it seems like it is designed to wrap around your ear, maybe, I don't know, to go like around your ear. I'm not sure. I've never used this kind of earbuds before. Look at this part here, probably to accommodate on your ear better, to fit better on your ear. So yeah, so far they look really nice. That's all I can say so far. So hopefully they'll sound really good as well. Well, these were the VK1 by a company called QKZ, Chinese company, high resolution audio, look really nice. And I hope you like this video. You give it a thumbs up, you subscribe to the channel if you like the videos I upload, and hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.